In this video we are going to be calculating area of a circle and of a sector. So let's get started with our circle. So here's our circle. Now for our circle we need to understand what our radius is. So let's say we've got our dot about there in the middle and we have things, so that's our radius. Now let's say in this case our radius is 25 centimeters. Okay, centimeters. To calculate our area, the equation is AC equals pi by r, which is our radius, squared. So in this instance, we're just going to round off pi at 3.14, but you can always use the pi button on your calculator. Multiplied by 25 squared. So let me break down this a little bit further. So we can go 3.14 by 625, because that's what 25 squared is. Well, let me carry these down while I'm at it. Okay, so now we have 625 by 3.14, so that equals to 1,962.5 centimeters squared. So this here is all of this shaded area in here. Okay, so now let's move on to a sector. Okay, so for a sector we're talking about a portion of a circle. So for instance, let's say we had this sector here and we're wanting to know what all of this area is. So you can probably see that we're looking at a quarter of a circle. So when we're talking about our sectors, we could have area, sector of a circle, and it will be, we know that there's 360 degrees in a whole circle. So as a total, there is 360 degrees. Now, because this is a right angle, and that's a 90-degree right angle, this whole greened out area is 90. So we put 90 over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. So let's go ahead and solve this. We can simplify this 90 over 360 to 1 over 4, because it's 1/4, multiplied by pi r squared. Let me just move up the screen. Before we go any further though, let's say here this is 12 centimeters radius. So from here to here is radius, and here to here is also the radius, okay? And this between here and here is the arc, just for so you know. Okay, so carrying it forward, 1/4 pi is 3.14 by 12 squared. Just moved it up a bit because I really want to break this down for you. So 1/4 by 3.14 multiplied by 144. And our answer here is 113.04. Let's say it's in centimeters and it's squared. So this green area here, this is the answer. Okay, now I'd like you to have a go. Let's say we have a circle, rough circle, and the radius is 15 centimeters. Okay, so what will our area of the circle be? Calculate that answer. And the next one, let's say we have a sector here, okay, and here in our degrees, so our angle between our two radii is 20 degrees. Work out what our sector of a circle would be as far as our area.